It's summer haul 2022 time. Are we ready? Hello people of the YouTube universe. Welcome to an unboxing. Okay, let's do this. So in all honesty, I have some PRs here and I have some actual things that I bought. I did a major, like literal so much damage. I'm kind of like embarrassed, but I got really good deals and I'm just super excited to unbox everything with you guys. I think it's about like half and half PR and the stuff that I bought. I'm gonna split this into two videos. This first video is gonna be stuff that I bought, and the second video we're gonna do PR. So if you wanna watch that, stay tuned. Okay, let's get to it. So let's start with this box. Don't wanna show you that. Let's open this one. I honestly don't know which box is which box. We're gonna find out. It says it's from like this place called PADC. It's not from there. Sometimes it like gives you like a different name than it actually is. Like say you buy something from like Nordstrom or Saks or whatever. Sometimes it says it's come from places like PADC. So I don't know, for some reason I think this is my Saks order, but let's see. I don't know. Ooh, okay, are we ready for this? Oh, this is my Saks order. Okay, so this first thing, it's a Nanushka top. I can't wait to try all these. I'm gonna put try-ons of each of these items in the video, so don't worry, you'll be able to see everything. This is a Nanushka top, you guys. It's called the matcha tank. Don't we love? And I feel like I'm a green tea matcha today. Got such a good deal on this one, so I'm super excited to have this. The back also has the split, but the only thing I'm worried about for this one is that it might be a little transparent, but we'll see. The next thing from Saks, this is really exciting. Okay, first of all, on Nanushka, I have a friend named Nanushka. Okay, on Nanushka, I'm like a huge fan of the brand. I've made so many reels and photos and video content wearing a lot of the stuff that I buy from Nanushka. I find that the quality is so good. You know, usually when it looks like something is leather, it's not. It's vegan leather, and I think that's amazing. I myself am a vegetarian. I want to talk to you guys more about who I am as a person. A lot of it doesn't come out on Instagram and TikTok. I try to make my captions spill a little bit more of my soul, but I get a lot of still DMs and comments that insinuate that I'm a very materialistic person. While I do love things and I do love fashion, the reason I love it is probably very different than what most people understand. I think that fashion and beauty both really help empower you to be your most unique and individual self. I look at fashion and beauty as my best friend. Some people will think this is really sad, but it is my best friend because I can rely on it when I have my low days. It's always there for me whenever no one else is, and you build your wardrobe to an extent that you're proud of the few items you have. It doesn't have to be a lot. You don't have to have a ton of things, but the few items you have really help you feel something, whether it's because they're sentimental, they're hand-me-downs, or they're pieces that you bought with very special sentiment, or you have memories attached to it. I am just a huge fan of all of that. So that's a little digression. We were unboxing this helmet laying tank top. So I'm super into like cutouts and asymmetrical things. This one is supposed to, oh yeah. So basically it's not worn like this. It's actually worn like, how do I show you? Like that? No. Wait, what? Anyways, I'll wear it properly now. I just really love a good tank, as you can probably tell. Got the Nanushka tank, got this helmet laying tank. I think a black tank is something that, you know, is really, really essential in someone's wardrobe. I have a lot from Beyond Yoga, but those are more like crop tanks, and I needed like a proper tank, and this was a little asymmetrical with a cutout, so I vibe with it. And then the last thing that I got from Saks was another thing from Helmut Lang. And as you can see, I'm loving green. If you didn't see my last spring summer trends video, or what was the video? It was like about trends, but basically I was talking about how grass green is really in. I want to add to that. Stop making noise. I also think kiwi green is really a vibe. Well, this is probably more kiwi green, but this is like almost a lime-ish kiwi green. It's super fun. It's just a shirt. I can't wait to wear it. Cannot wait. Super fun. Ooh, and I forgot to show you guys a huge detail on this one. It says like HL down here, so like the Helmut Lang logo you have, which is awesome. We love that. That was my Saks order. What's next? What did I buy? I'm like very uncomfortably crowded right now because my apartment's a mess, but that's okay. We're still gonna go on with this unboxing. I look very dangerous. Okay, next one is Nordstrom. Do you guys like ASMR? I just failed at that. Look at that. I make myself cringe. I don't cringe at anyone else, I cringe at myself. We got it open. So, why? Why? I need to stop complaining. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Life is amazing. Look at all these amazing things that I have that I get to add to my wardrobe. I am creative. I am colorful. I am grateful. And I am excited to open this next package. Let's go. I really needed a pair of jeans, so I bought some Levi's. Can you believe this is my first pair of Levi's denim? I have denim jacket from them, but this is my first pair of jeans. This is the 724 high-rise straight. I know low-rise is kind of a trend right now, but I love me a good, I'm gonna pull my ear out. I love me a good high-rise pant. Well, I don't want to say everyone, but a lot of South Asians, especially a lot of Indian women, we have smaller waists and bigger hips. Again, not a blanket statement, but I found that a lot of my friends also have that same body proportion. I think high-waisted stuff tends to really flatter a lot of us really well. Also a color jean that I don't have. It wasn't really ever trendy to have this color. And now I'm just like, I think the things that weren't trendy are trendy now, so I don't know if that makes any sense. Years ago, if someone was to tell you that lime green and grass green were gonna be trendy, I would have spit and laughed in there. Just kidding. Don't ever spit in anyone's face. I'm actually a really peaceful soul, I promise. I would have laughed in their face. I'm telling you, trends right now are things that you would never have been caught dead in a couple years ago. I think I'm expecting more from Nordstrom. I'm like, why did it not come yet? You know, I'm starting to think that my hair is better off just straightening it. I tried to do my hair in like 5 minutes today and I'm not a big fan of it. Dad called while we were unboxing this. I see it on my phone down here. And that probably just means that, Malika, you're not responding to my text messages. It's really hard to be a content creator and be on all the time and then also have to respond to your friends, family, parents. Honestly, I don't think a lot of people talk about this, but sometimes I feel really guilty. Say I give myself like an hour to respond to comments, then I feel kind of bad, you know, if my parents text me within that time and I'm like trying to block out that time to respond to people online, then I genuinely just feel bad. Which, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, why not change that, right? Come meet me there because those are my, clearly they're my bigger channels. YouTube is something that I'm now getting regular with. That's kind of where I'm like really engaged with everyone, and I would love to engage with you on YouTube. So leave a comment below about anything you like or don't like in this video. This is the next one from Nordstrom. So I got this top from Samso and Samso. Fun. Micro packs. You might be thinking like, what's going on? What is this? What? I'm gonna try it on so you can see what's going on. Really love the print. It's like not your average camel print. It's got a lot of neutrals, which I think because the 90s have become such a big commotion now, I love just different neutrals, pairing different neutrals. Although I don't know if this is gonna be much of a spring summer item because spring summer is a little bit more colorful. This will definitely be summer to fall, or who knows, it could be spring summer. I mean, I'm gonna travel this summer a lot. I think I'm going to Lisbon, I don't want to tell you. I'm going to a lot of places this summer, but I will probably wear this. Maybe we'll pair it with some colorful pants. And then I got this pair of shorts. This is really weird. They're not short shorts, they're not long shorts. What are they? Well, I like that they are going to be one of my first mid-waist shorts. Also, this was like so on sale. I was like, gotta love it. It's by Frame. Frame is one of my favorite jeans brands. There's a pair of jeans that I get asked about every single time I wear it. At least 2 or 3 people ask me about it, if not 10 that day. And it's by Frame. And it's called the La Sylvie variant. And that one was on sale too at like more than like 70% off at that point. And I was like, I'm not gonna think about it. I'm just gonna buy it. It fit like a glove. Love it so much, and I always get complimented on it. So, and then I also have another pair by Frame, which is like zebra print, and this was before zebra print became trendy like a year ago, and I bought it 2 years ago, not knowing whether I would be able to wear it, and then lo and behold, it became a trend. So wore it a lot. Even this with the Samso top would be perfect. And they're called the La Tomboy trouser short. I think all the rest is honestly PR. Thank you so much for unboxing some of my favorite pieces that I just bought literally in the last 2 weeks. I am curious to know if you guys like to see more unboxings or if you want to see something else. Definitely let me know in the comments below. Until then, I will keep you waiting for that PR unboxing, which is probably going to be a little bit more fun. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.